Hello and welcome to Look Back, Look Ahead. I'm Frank Calderone. Last week ending January 13th, the major indexes were all higher for the second straight week, with the S&P ending the week just below the 4,000 level and the Nasdaq above 11,000, the highest close for both indexes in a month. The November inventories to sales ratio increased to 1.35 in November of 22 compared to 1.21 in November of 21. At these levels, we can expect wholesalers to start to slow purchases and thus contribute to a slowdown in economic activity. The Consumer Price Index declined 0.1% in December to close the year up 6.5%. Core CPI, which excludes food and energy, increased 0.3% in December to close the year up 5.7%. Food prices were up 0.3%. Gasoline prices were down 1.5% on a year earlier basis, while fuel oil prices were up 41.5% in December compared to the previous year. Initial jobless claims decreased by 1,000 to 205,000 for the week ending January 7th. U.S. import prices increased a more than expected 0.4% in December, while export prices declined a more than expected 2.6%. And the University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Index increased to 64.6 in January from 59.7 in December. Year to date, the Dow is up 3.5%. The S&P is up 4.2%, and the Nasdaq is up 5.9%. The yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury bond is 3.5%. The yield on the 2-year bond, 4.2%. Oil closed at $79.98 a barrel. Gold closed at $1,918.80 an ounce, with silver closing at $24 an ounce. For this week of January 16th, Tuesday, we'll get the Empire State Manufacturing Index. On a busy Wednesday, we'll get retail sales, the Producer Price Index, industrial production, the NAHB Home Builders Index, business inventories, and the Fed Beige Book will be reported. The Beige Book is a summary of current economic conditions from each of the 12 Federal Reserve districts. Thursday, we'll get initial jobless claims, building permits, housing starts, and the Philadelphia Federal Reserve Manufacturing Index. And on Friday, existing home sales will be reported. Also, earnings season has begun, as companies will be reporting their fourth quarter results. And as always, we'll keep a watchful eye on these and any other events that may and will shape the markets. In the meantime, be diversified with your investments and always know what you own in your portfolio. If you have any questions pertaining to your portfolio or anything you've heard in this video, give me a call. This is Frank Calderone from Raymond James in New York. Have a fantastic week. Be well, stay safe, and remember, always look ahead.